in high definition. The Fox 19 Morning News.
Stephanie, thank you very much. Good morning once again, everyone. VasMadness happens every year across the U.S. What is it? Well, it's when vasectomies are scheduled around March Madness. It does happen. I've heard about this for years. Joining me this morning is Dr. Robert Schwartz with the Urology Group. Dr. Schwartz, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
It really does happen?
Actually, urologists around the country have noticed a trend over the last few years that people do get their vasectomies at the time of March Madness.
Well, first of all, since it's an elective surgery, time is not often of the essence. So if you're going to schedule it, you might as well schedule it where you can get some time off where it's going to do you some good, correct? Is that what these men say?
Absolutely. You have a perfect excuse to watch basketball all weekend.
Okay, let's talk about the recovery, because I know people are wondering, in terms of recovery from vasectomy, how hard is it? How painful is it? How long is it?
Vasectomy actually is a very, very easy procedure.
Is it really?
It's a very quick procedure. It's about a 15 or 20-minute procedure. And we do it in the office as an outpatient. It's really the best form of birth control that's available.
Because it's not as invasive as if you try to operate on a woman, correct?
Right. It's a very, very minimally invasive procedure, and there's very, very few side effects.
You know, the problem, though, is the area. The problem is the area which scares most people, correct? But they don't have reason to be scared?
They don't have a reason to be scared. As a matter of fact, Rob, I've had a vasectomy, and it is a very, very easy procedure. It's the best thing that I've ever done.
Okay, there's a lot of guys watching this morning who say, you know what? I'm going to do it. There's a lot of wives watching this morning who say, I want you to do it. The timing is perfect. You guys are ready to take advantage of this, correct?
We have set aside tomorrow and Thursday at our new center in urology, our new urology center in Norwood, for people to sign up for vasectomies. But if it's a late notice, we are going to have time available through the rest of the month for people to come in for their vasectomy.
And actually, it's a chance to win a 42-inch TV, correct?
Yes, we've teamed with WEBN, and there's going to be a drawing at the end of the month. You can go to our website to register for the drawing as well.
And really, I mean, if you haven't seen their building, it's a beautiful building right there off of the Norwood Lateral. I know I got a chance to meet you at last year's run, the great prostate cancer race. And the great thing about that is that your group is trying to make men's health a focus 360-degree angle, correct?
Absolutely. We want this to be all year round, and we want to be available for men, for men's health, for men's wellness, and be available as a full service.
Why do you think we don't talk about it more as men? Are we idiots?
I think men are just afraid to talk about that. I think actually it's the wives that bring a lot of men in, and I think that men are just uncomfortable talking about urologic issues.
Absolutely. Dr. Schwartz, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, man, we have much more straight ahead of the